I used to be called Mowgli in school. You know, whenever I went to the class, the boys used to be like, जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है and चड्डी पहन के फूल के like foreign travel. So sometimes even with like no makeup and all that, they're lovely, you know. They're all those pictures that your family blackmails you with. ये डालो क्या बाहर है नहीं चाहिए delete कर.
Are you a foodie?
I love homemade food. Other than that, if I have to eat something outside, it's complete opposite of what I'm going to say now. Chaat. Love chaat. I had a blast. Yeah, I haven't been in this unfiltered. I love Punjabi food. The only thing that's stuck in my head is Amritsari khana.
Oh, well.
Like, I'm hungry.
I'll just give you names of a few actors and you tell me one trait of theirs that you would like to have in your life.
ठीक है done.
Imran Hashmi.
All his blockbuster music.
Prabhas.
Rajmouli sir, actually, I'd like to stay.
Oh, lovely.
One time that I went out New Year's to Dubai, where I was going, that building caught fire. I want a private jet.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Not for myself, but for my dog.
What? Sometimes for a good life, all you need is some good vibes. But ये good vibes है क्या?
If you are in my life, you're someone who's been giving me good vibes.
4 दोस्त, पुरानी बातें और एक गाड़ी. I think मेरे लिए good vibes हैं.
Good vibes really set my comfort level.
Right.
That's very important for me.
जो भी कुछ दिल से करने का मन करे, आई थिंक वो गुड वाइब्स का ही.
हर किसी का है गुड वाइब्स का अपना ही एक वर्जन, बट हमारे लिए इट्स ऑल अबाउट अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन. And you share and spread these good vibes with us, we have a really special guest today. जिनकी शुरुआत हुई विद मद्रासी और जिनकी मुस्कान ऐसे जो दूर कर दे सबकी उदासी. जिन्होंने एक नहीं 5 इंडस्ट्री में लहराया अपना तिरंगा. जिनकी कला है थलाइवंसी और रॉब जैसे शिवालिंगा. जो इंडस्ट्री के लिए हैं कंचन और ऑडियंस की हैं दिल की धड़कन. कई आना चाहते हैं जिनके नियर और कई करने लगे हैं जिनसे फियर. प्लीज वेलकम टू द शो हम सब की फेवरेट वेदिका कुमार.
क्या introduction था. Actually, it's the best introduction anybody's ever given me.
I'm glad Vedika. Glad you like it. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being part of the show.
Thank you. Same here. It's I was looking forward to seeing you guys.
Yeah, we were really excited when we found out this is a conversation that could happen, and especially our viewers from the south, they were going crazy. They had a lot of questions which they sent us that they wanted us to ask. Of course, we'll get to them. But firstly, congratulations on the release of Fear.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's getting a lot of great reviews and people are loving it. And we're going to talk more about it. But since the show is about good vibes, we want to start with what is good vibes for you and how important is good vibes?
I think good vibes basically begins with your mindset. You need to have the right frame of mind, and that's what I feel is good vibes and 8 hours of sleep. Then it's all good vibes all day long.
Yeah, the best key to that, finding that mindset is having the 8 hours of
8 hours sleep, nothing less than 8.
Yeah, good sleep is also good vibes there.
Some people are okay to do it even on 6-7 hours. Of course, sometimes you cannot help it.
Right.
You have a flight to catch, you have shoot the next day, but it's...
So, since the show is about good vibes, we feel कि good vibes कुछ लोगों से having the right people in your life उससे भी आती है.
Yes.
So, do you have any particular people in your life जिनसे हमेशा you reach out to them when you were looking for good vibes?
My mom.
Oh yes.
Yeah, number one is my mom. She's always, so positive and like she's always there for me.
Yeah.
As I'm sure, with a lot of people, they also must, be choosing their mom.
Moms are big supporters.
Yes. And my dog.
Oh yes, very cute. What's his name?
Oscar.
Oscar. Yeah. I've seen Oscar on your social media and
Yeah.
he looks like a very fun guy to chill with.
Yeah, he's amazing. He is a lot of fun and you don't know how time flies with him. And especially like he's an amazing travel mate also. Like you love to like show him around and explain everything to him. I mean, he just loves traveling in the car.
Wow.
Wherever we go, Coorg or, next we are going to Kerala. So I'm looking forward to like amazing vibes.
Yeah, wow. And is he travel friendly? वो परेशान तो नहीं करता है रास्ते में या सब?
No, he's not at all troublesome. I am busy actually serving him and wiping his saliva and all that throughout. But time पता नहीं चलता है कि how it passes so quickly with him.
It's as similar to taking care of a baby, right?
Yeah, just like a baby but better.
Just like a baby but better, yeah. Very nice.
Mean vibes.
Dogs are the best.
Yeah.
Right. And since we're talking about good vibes, we found out that you're from Bombay, and majority of your work has been in the South industry. Story क्या है Bombay girl? Because Bollywood is over here. Mumbai में ही अगर Bollywood है, why did you choose to go to South first?
I began with South. Just so happened that I got my first film in the South, and then one after the other, I kept on getting films there.
Right.
So I got busy with South films, and recently I did, do a Hindi film with Imran and
Right.
Viacom. I just lot of work kept coming from South, and there was no time to sit and think what should I do, which industry should I do, because I was already doing a lot of work there.
Yeah. And good work.
Good work and amazing performance-oriented roles. So, but soon, because मैं Bombay से हूँ, तो definitely Hindi फिल्में भी करना चाहूँगी. As an actor, you want to work in all languages, as much as possible. So I am in talks for something. Hopefully, 2025 will be the year that I'll be again back in Bollywood. Yes.
Yes. And then we'll do this again.
Yes, then we'll do it again.
Yeah.
Sure.
We manifested on this couch. It got happened.
Yes,
Right.
looking forward to that already.
Right. And you mentioned you started with Tamil. How did you get the first Tamil picture?
Well, I was basically, I just went for the meeting and they did my photo shoot. It's like just pictures, not even acting or anything, just some expressions. And that was my look test, and I got it. It was that simple and that easy.
And were you thinking that this is did you plan or manifest it in some way? Or?
As a child, I always manifested it, and I always dreamt of becoming an actor. So as a kid, I would always dance in front of the mirror to Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi ma'am's song.
Wow.
And, but in school I would lie that, I want to become a cardiac surgeon and all that, just to appear really studious and very, very complicated and poised. I want to present myself. But yeah, it's now I know that even you don't have to pretend to be somebody else.
Right.
You should, because the other kids would make fun of me if I said I want to be an actress. So as a kid, I was very shy and very
amazing. I just, while you were telling this, I thought of something that I could relate with.
I saw that, yeah.
A few days back only, I was just wondering that this is an issue that I'm facing, and then I thought to myself that as a kid or maybe 5-10 years back, I would have killed to be in this position.
Correct.
And I'm not being grateful about thinking where I am. I'm thinking about again now where I want to be.
Exactly.
Is that something you also go through?
Of course, what recently, you get wiser with time, right? If I knew this before, I would, have been happier even, few years back. See, many times we are where do we want to go from here? What else is there to achieve? But we are not taking time to celebrate ourselves and congratulate ourselves where we've already reached.
Exactly.
This was a goal 5 years back. You already achieved it, but you're not taking the moment to think about it and appreciate yourself. That is also a double-edged thing, that it is not just celebrating the moment and appreciating what you have, but it also gives you the confidence that you can also achieve what you want ahead, because what you thought was impossible, you made it possible. So you can achieve whatever seems impossible now.
Right. Since we're talking about people in life, we also wanted to talk to you about the relationship part. Since talk shows हैं, audiences हमेशा they wanna know कि relationship में कैसा type का आपको इंसान चाहिए. So we just wanted to get an understanding what is your ideal man like.
It's complicated. No, I'm just kidding.
We got something.
No, I'm just kidding. No, what I'm saying is
Yeah, your ideal man maybe.
very calm, you know, very patient because he has to deal with me. Somebody who doesn't rush me and like, you know, Arey yaar, it's getting late, come on, you know. You should just be like, take your time, honey.
मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ.
You just take your time.
Very nice. That is an ideal man, guys.
Yeah. You know, otherwise it will get very complicated. You know, like who has a lot of like respect towards women and like, you know, traits.
Right.
Chivalrous.
Yeah.
Chivalrous.
I think that those are basic needs.
Yeah.
You're not asking for too much.
Yes. And somebody who also like loves my dog.
Oh yes.
Because he's the first love of my life. So he has to like be obsessed with my dog
Right.
as much as I am.
So the checklist is ready. A dog lover,
Yep.
patient guy, understanding, calm.
Yeah.
Amazing. So since we're talking about people in life, I will just give you names of a few actors and you tell me one trait of theirs that you would like to have in your life.
ठीक है ना.
ठीक है? Imran Hashmi.
I knew you'd ask this. Blockbuster music, all his blockbuster music.
Wow, what a smart answer.
He's very lucky with the.
Yeah.
It's obvious also thoda, but ठीक है.
Yes. Rishi Kapoor.
His career was so illustrious, so
Yeah.
you know, just trying to learn from him and his work, his acting,
Yeah.
his
The
dedication.
craftsmanship.
Yeah, the craftsmanship. Yes.
Very nice. Alright, Prabhas.
I was gonna say height, but then I don't want to be that tall also at the moment.
Yeah. Cool.
Rajmouli sir, actually, I'd like to stay.
Lovely. Yeah.
I worked with Bahubali producers actually
Wow.
in my web show Yakshini.
Yes.
So, but also I'd like to work with
Work with
the
the
director,
director.
the man himself. Yeah.
Yeah, who wouldn't? I think that's a chance of a lifetime, and
Yeah.
every actor in this country, they'd do anything for it.
Of course.
Right. And Junior NTR.
Wait, now you said he's very hardworking. He's very focused.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that.
Right.
And if
That's-
I could take anything from him, then I would take his phone and message his next director that we have to cast Vedika. Just to
That's-
your question, you said train, but trying to like
Wait,
be a seat.
guys, samjho how Vedika has played this around. Very nice. I love how you played around the answers. Okay, so since we're talking about good vibes, before we move on to the next round, we have a few memories of yours.
Okay.
We want to talk to you about them. These are a few videos that we pulled up from different parts of internet, and we feel कि इनके पीछे की एक story है that we want to know from you. Talking about dancing video, this was
Fun.
amazing performance. The whole video, if you see, the background, the choice of outfits, even the shoes that you've picked, the
My
glamour.
mom shoes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Everything is looking so on point.
Thank you.
You're just grooving in a very cool, casual way that's looking so cool.
You won't believe it. This was shot literally when the light was going. Even Matt he had to leave, you
Oh.
know. And this was shot in Beverly Hills.
Okay.
What happened was, so we had decided another song, which I won't tell you which one it was, but we had decided to do that. So I said, suddenly he came there, and this we didn't practice at all. Okay, even I didn't know the step. So right then and there, I was like, Matt, there's a song, Toba Toba. It's trending in India, and this was like after 1 month of it had released, because now release date had come. Okay, so I said, okay, cool. I showed him the step, and he was like, okay. And he also learned in 2 minutes. 2 minutes he learned.
This you've learned in 2 minutes.
Literally, like I was seeing YouTube videos how to do the step and like learning and also showing him and like, you know.
Wow.
Literally in 2 minutes we learnt it and we shot it.
Okay. And we also feel that good vibes comes from a lot of going to the right places also. कुछ जगहों से किसी के लिए हो सकता है माउंटेन से हो, किसी के बीचेस से हो. तो डू यू हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर प्लेसेस जहाँ से आपको गुड वाइब्स
Costs a lot.
वो है.
Expensive vibes. Yeah, I love going traveling.
वो चुपती में वो good vibes. These good vibes hurt a little.
Yeah, good vibes these days are very expensive. No, but to be honest, I'll tell you, I've traveled everywhere, not everywhere, but most places. But when I come back home, ना कोई आपको नहीं बोलता है कि checkout time है, you know, ये करो वो करो, nothing. You are in your home. You don't have to worry about anything. You are in the safest place that you can be. Your own bed, your own washroom, everything is like your own.
Yeah, that sense of comfort you can't get anywhere.
Amazing. Home is the best. So I think, yeah, I'm the most comfortable at home with my dog.
Lovely. And as you mentioned that you keep on traveling, what all would you say are some recommended places that you would like to recommend to our audience where they should travel? First, maybe in the world and then in India.
Like forest travel.
Yeah, why not?
Maldives. I was in Maldives.
Yeah.
There are amazing beaches. जैसे आपने बोला, you know, good vibes. I really get a lot of like positivity from being on the beach and being by the ocean.
Lovely. Do you prefer beaches over mountains?
I am drawn towards beaches more, but I really love the mountains also. When I recently went to Kashmir in Feb, it was so beautiful. Gulmarg. Oh my God, it just
Best.
felt heavenly.
Yeah.
Like the trees there, the whole like, it's just heavenly. I'm going again.
Wow. That's going to be a trip to look at.
Yeah.
And
Forward to.
yes. And India mein since you work
Yeah.
everywhere, you're a pan-India star. What would you say is the best place to vacation?
Kashmir, I love. Kashmir
Yeah.
was stunning. Though I've only done one trip there, but you know, I did it only recently, so I love Kashmir.
And did you get to try kahwa?
Yes, I love kahwa because so cold and I was trying to get a sore throat because I went with no scarf and it was very, very comforting and it's so yummy, you know, like
Yeah.
it's cold outside and you have like this hot.
Okay. And since we were talking about you and your life in Mumbai, तो आपका schooling भी मुंबई में ही था?
I went to boarding school.
Boarding school. Okay. Where was that?
Panchgani.
पंचगनी. Oh, तो पहाड़ों में था ना पंचगनी भी?
Valleys.
Valleys.
Yeah. So very nice.
So मुंबई में आपको कितना आना जाना होता है? Before I get to the next part.
Well, when I'm shooting, then it's like less because, you know, my work is in Hyderabad or Chennai whenever I'm doing South films. But like today I was shooting for a brand, so I do come here to shoot as well. I come here to dub. So जो मेरी dubbings मैं करती हूँ वो बॉम्बे में ही करती हूँ मैं.
Okay.
So I also live between Bombay and Bangalore. But I split my time half between the two cities because my dog is in Bangalore and my work is in Bombay.
Yeah.
So between both the cities I shuffle.
So when you're in Mumbai, what all places get you good vibes? कहीं जाना पसंद है कोई particular जगहें?
I really like the ocean side, like I said. So yeah.
The town part maybe or Bandra, Bandstand, those areas.
Or any restaurant with like a ocean view.
Right.
Yeah. So
Soho House, you've been to Soho House?
yeah, so yeah, that is really nice.
Yeah.
I was just trying to think. There are not too many places though.
Right. With
So
the,
Soho is really nice. Soho is beautiful.
are you a foodie?
I am a big time foodie.
And what do you like to eat most? Is there a particular?
I love homemade food. Earlier I used to be like I love this and that outside, but the best is homemade food because it's clean. You don't ever have to worry about food poisoning. Have you ever got food poisoning at home? I don't think so. Other than that, if I have to eat something outside, it's complete opposite of what I'm going to say now. Chaat. Love chaat.
Why?
Dahi puri, but I can't have dahi puri outside now because I've turned vegan.
Yeah.
It has to be vegan dahi puri.
Sev
So dahi puri I have at home. Sev puri,
Pani.
pani puri, but it has to be Bisleri. I'm so hungry right now. Bhel puri and pav bhaji
Wow.
and Chinese.
Wow.
These are my favorite, and I love cake also, but now it is vegan cake.
Yeah, vegan cakes. In Bangalore, do you have any places, particular places where you get good vibes?
I only eat at home majorly.
And when you're traveling,
And oh, one more place that I really like there is a Prestige Golshire Resort. Very good.
wow,
Very beautiful.
does it have something special?
It's just very beautiful, very large. It has a very huge golf course.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Do you play golf?
no. This is beautiful to watch, but I'm going to learn.
Okay, so since we're talking about places, so I'm going to give you a place. These are places you've been to.
Okay.
You tell me if someone is visiting those places, where would you take them to show around? Cool. So if someone is coming to Chennai for the first time, where will you take them to show around?
Marina Beach.
Marina Beach.
Amazing place.
Amazing. वहाँ का sunset is very good, no?
Yes, I mean the beach is very clean.
Wow.
Quite clean, most of it. And the road opposite that is very pretty. I would take them to Marina Beach. Yeah.
Lovely. And if someone was visiting you in Bengaluru, where would you take them to show around?
I would take them to the Bangalore Palace.
Oh,
That's something which is like iconic to the city. I would take them to Bangalore Palace. I did that with a friend of mine who came from America. I took them to Bangalore Palace and they loved it.
okay. If someone was visiting to you in Hyderabad, where would you take them?
To my shoot set, I take them on my shooting location.
Right. Very nice.
And
And
put them there.
if someone was visiting you in Mumbai, where would you take them to show around?
Obviously, Gateway of India.
Gateway of India. Yeah. What
For a
is
second, I was like, don't say India Gate. Gateway of India.
No, that's fine. I have a team of things to do in Mumbai, and they tell me India Gate जाना है.
Yeah, exactly.
It's very annoying. So this is the
Okay, this was just few days back.
yes.
It was just last weekend. I went to a college function for the release of Fear. We went for promotions. The reception that we received from the college students was insane. There were like thousands of students and they all were showering us with flowers and all that.
Yeah, man, it's really nice. It's like a dream come. I personally feel that this is extraordinary. This can never come.
I was feeling a little like,
Wow.
itna bhi show off mat kar while uploading this.
No.
But it was really sweet of them. They gave us a very, very warm welcome.
Yeah.
And they, we played a lot of games also with them on stage.
That's so good.
Yeah. And they all, a few students, like about 10-20 students came up and we took selfies
Wow.
together. and
So
all that.
sweet.
Yeah. It was really nice. Very heart-touching. Thank you to all the students of Adi Shankara College.
So when we talk about good vibes, we feel good vibes come from setting the right mood also. किसी को mood set करने के लिए lighting से they do some, किसी के लिए fragrances, किसी के लिए music. Do you have a particular way of setting the right mood to get that vibe?
I think just having a nice shower,
Yeah.
it just takes away all the burden and
I think it sets you up for a great day and sets
and even for a
ending of the night.
great
ending of
night
the-
also, when you want to sleep,
Yeah.
I have to have 2 times shower because one is morning. As soon as you wake up, as soon as you have shower, you get the right energy.
Right.
If you don't have shower, then you're like, okay, that's not good, I mean, at least you need to, first thing you need to do is before breakfast. Now I made a rule. As soon as I wake up, I make my bed, then brush my teeth, have my shower, then only eat.
Wow.
Very rarely now, past only 6 months, 1 year I've been doing this. And also after I go back, whether it is shoot, whether it's out, if I've gone out and come back, I have to have shower in the evening. For sure.
Good shower can set you up for success. That's a quotable.
Totally.
T-shirt chapalo. Right. There's another meme that we came across.
Was she now and she back in school or something? The girl I rejected at
school was-
So this is actually a real story.
Yeah. Why you
No, I was not rejected by many, but I had like a really boycott and I used to be like,
good
if you see my photo now, you'll be like, go.
pigtails and all?
I used to be called Mowgli in school. Whenever I went to the class, the boys used to be like, जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है and चड्डी पहन के फूल के I was like so embarrassed as a kid. I'm like 11, 12 and I used to cry and I used to be like, why are they making fun of me like this? Because my hair was so scanty. It's like,
Oh damn. Kids can be mean. Kids can be mean.
see? Mowgli. That's it. I'm saying that.
Yeah. Now of course.
Crying sorry. Then like that's why I'm saying that she
Now.
the girl I rejected in school and she now it's like
It's
literally
true.
like that.
It happens. Are you a celebratory person?
No, achievements I like to celebrate,
But not festivals?
sorry, festivals also I like to celebrate. but not in like a very like strict way, you know, like days and days and days of like
You're not
celebration.
excited about celebrating festivals.
I like like just little bit like
Simple.
yeah,
हाँ.
like on the main day I will like I
हाँ.
like celebrate.
जैसे होली पे तिलक, दिवाली पे एक दिया जला लिया.
Yeah, like
Rangoli,
that,
yeah.
like that. Simple.
Simple, you know.
Yeah, simple.
Simple, right?
I don't like doing like too much also.
Are you into celebrating New Year's या फर्क नहीं पड़ता?
Never been like anything like ultra exciting.
अच्छा.
Because just so happened that I used to always end up being at home on New Year's. And one time that I went out on New Year's to Dubai, where I was going, that building caught fire. On the way, okay, I'm going. My family friend calls up saying, don't go there, it's caught fire. So I said, why me? After so long, I've come out on New Year's. Then I was like, New Year's everywhere is this bullshit, lot of crowd. It's ultra expensive also than your other normal times. And you don't get to enjoy because there's too much of crowd. So then we ran from there, we went somewhere else.
Okay.
So,
But you got a chance to celebrate it, right?
yeah, I did.
Yeah.
So mostly New Year's I'm at home. This time I'm planning to do something. I'm planning to go to Kerala with my dog.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that'll be nice.
That's very unique.
Yeah.
And since we're talking about good vibes, we feel good vibes के लिए you need a certain right things to do as well. Certain activities जिनके through you get good vibes. Swimming, driving, किसी के लिए just going for a jog. Do you have any particular things that you do that brings you good vibes?
Traveling also I've told you.
Yep.
I would say
Are you into sports? Do you play any sports?
I work out, so I don't do sports.
Yeah. Do you watch any sports?
I am going to soon learn golf, like I said.
Yes.
Then I can say I know golf.
Yes. Do you like to binge?
You know, I hardly watch, but I've recently started watching The Watcher.
Oh.
Have you seen it?
Yes. It's very.
Don't tell me a suspense because I'm on like episode 4.
Oh.
And then I was happily watching it, interested till it started getting a little eerie. And then it started going
gonna
to
get better.
horror zone. So I went to sleep. And I took my blanket over my head and all that. I left a small like night lamp on. And you know how in the Watcher the alarm is there, na? They ask door alarm. So बजता है कोई आता है तो then alarm बजता है तो he goes and switches it off. तो मैंने कोई अलार्म नहीं लगाई थी, but 1 week back जो अलार्म लगाई थी वो 6:40 को बजी. And I was like scared. I woke up and I was like, I was so scared that I dropped the phone down. And luckily the alarm got shut that time. But it was really scary.
Right. And any good content or movies or shows that you've seen recently?
Well, my movie just released Fear. So I would say don't watch
Any
content online, go watch in
Fear.
theaters.
Yeah.
Go watch Fear. It's a psychological thriller also, and thriller is one of my favorite genres.
Yes, it's too good, guys. You must check it out. We put the trailer in the description yellow.
Please put the
Check it
trailer
out.
for them. I'm sure they love it, and it is one of the most challenging roles I've played. It is the role of Sindhu. Like my name in the film is Sindhu, and I had to do a lot of prep for it. So. Yes, so don't watch anything online, go to the theaters to watch Fear, and when Fear comes on OTT, then only watch Fear on OTT.
That's why, guys. Wait, go and watch Fear right now.
And also Peter app and also Yakshini.
Yes,
Peter
you
app.
had an amazing year
Yes,
work-wise.
yes.
What would you like to say about the amazing year that you have?
So 2023, I was continuously shooting for 4-5 projects. 2024, Razakar came out, and it's a period film in
Right.
which I play a village, woman from 30s, 40s.
Purane
40s, yeah, around 40s. And then, what happened and what kind of torture they, faced because of, certain things back then, and how Hyderabad got its independence much after the entire rest of India got.
Wow.
So Hyderabad got it 11 months later.
Oh,
13 months later.
13 months later, almost more than a year.
Yeah, exactly. More than a year later, this year. Then came Yakshini. Like I said, it's a socio-fantasy subject produced by Bahubali filmmakers
Right.
and Bahubali producers, Atka Media. And it came on Disney Hotstar. So that was my OTT debut.
Debut, yeah.
And that was very, very challenging. The role, it was title role. I played a Yakshini. and Yakshanis are like supernatural beings, spirits, like spirit sorts, you know, but very seductive, very beautiful. They're very intelligent. And then I get cursed. Yakshanis follow Lord Kubera, and they're supposed to protect the temple.
Right.
And they're now supposed to fall in love with the humans. So then how I get cursed? And Lord Kubera sends me down to earth, and he says, you know, you have to do this
To get rid of the curse.
curse, and then go back. So that is what the whole series is about.
And it's too good.
Thank you.
I've started watching it and I'm hooked to it.
Yes.
And I'm gonna finish it within this weekend.
Thank you. So the thing is that more than like South 50% audience saw, and 50% was all from the North. It was dubbed in 8 languages.
Wow. Been very unique concept.
Very unique concept.
And the genre of a little comedy also within the superficial thing, that is what is setting it apart.
Yes.
You don't really get to see such kind of content on OTT or
Yeah, it's
OTT
a
platform.
social fantasy come a little bit of comedy.
Yeah.
So that's like a family entertainer.
Family entertainer.
And we got a fantastic response, especially from the North, because for them it's unique that comedy.
And the graph your character is going through is very great, phenomenal to look at.
Thank you. And then came Peter Rap with Prabhu Deva sir, the dancing limb. So Peter Rap was very fun, very colorful, lots of romance, dance, action, like a nice commercial flair. So for me it was a great like relief role, and it's now on Amazon Prime. People want to watch it.
You guys go check it out. All 3 movies. We'll start.
All 3, and then Fear in theaters for now.
Let's go. So with that, I've just come to the last question for the day. What do you feel is that one thing that you're yet to do? I'm sure there might be many things, but current bucket list में क्या है?
I want a private jet.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's
Not for myself, but for my dog.
what?
Because he's very big. So I don't want to put him in cargo, you know. Like airlines, listen to me. You should come up with a compartment where where
Pets.
pet families and parents can, put their dogs, even if they are too big, to put them with other people if you want to like minimize that risk. But make a section behind the passenger section, where they are right behind you and not in like some cargo compartment. Yeah,
Exactly.
we are willing to pay.
Yeah. That too, I think should
Do not treat them. See, when we don't put babies in the cargo compartment, how can we put
pets.
So that's why I never ever was crazy about private jets.
Yes, but
This is
now
the reason I'm like, shit.
it's a great goal to have.
I want him to travel, like, enjoy and like go explore faraway places.
Yeah. Makes
But if that was just a funny answer, something which I didn't really filter out before I said. But if I want to say something that I really want and which I want to achieve is just being at peace,
Yeah. Okay, so with that, we've come to the end of this conversation, Vedika.
Thank you. Thank you
I had
so much.
I had a blast.
I had a blast.
I really enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you.
And I hope the viewers enjoy it as well.
Yes.
And I hope you also had a good time.
Yes, I had a great time, and it was a lot of fun, more than what I expected. And it was just like two friends chatting.
Yeah.
So it was a lot of fun, and I haven't been this unfiltered.
Yeah.
Actually, never have been this unfiltered
Yeah.
and just relaxed and chilled.
Yeah. I'm glad we could bring that out, and
Thank you.
we hope we can get you back on this couch
Yes,
again.
looking forward.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the love, all the success, all the happiness in the coming year, and may all your dreams come true.
Thank you so much.
So with that, guys, we've come to the end of this conversation. If you enjoyed watching us, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Things to Do. एक बार आप भी बोल दो, अच्छा लगेगा.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Things to Do. Don't forget.
Thank you, Vidika. Thank you so
you
much.
so much.
Thanks for
It was
being part
nice.
of the show. तो दोस्तों, good vibes ढूंढते जाओ और good life पाते जाओ. Ta-da!
I'm hungry. Yeah.
Very often.
We are like 20 minutes away from that threshold.
Guys, the production, please call for food. Since you were telling us about.
Do you really mean it? You're done. You don't care if it gets burnt.
Yeah. मतलब when I'm drinking something as tasty as kava.
But बाद में तो बहुत परेशानी होती है ना.
बाद में होती है.
I can't believe it. God, Mowgli. Like seriously. And this also. They used to show the picture of Mowgli on a book and like, you know, sing the song.
Shit, I was so damn. ये
And वो लड़का है, imagine.
अब पहले ही हंस देते यार. Good cue for us. Good cue for us.
Yeah, just to